Hello everyone, my name is Bert from QVS. We are a manufacturer of audio, video, and PC cables and electronics. I'm going to start with our electronics here. We do a lot in, let's say, HDMI, VGA extenders. This unit right here is our HD4-C6E. It's an all-in-one extender. What it does is it transfers mainly HDMI, but it also does Ethernet, RS-232, and IR, and power, all over one Cat5 or Cat6 or Cat7 cable. And this will be able to handle up to 100 meters, 1080p, 3D, and is also ready for 4K, 2K. We also have a line of one-to-one extenders. These are HDMI extenders over one Cat5 or two Cat5 cables. We have different variations of this because we could also transfer IR and RS-232, and these are up to 40 meters at 1080p. This one is our HDMI over LAN. It is essentially a one-to-many display setup. So you start with the transmitter unit, and you go from an Ethernet cable to any switch or hub. This could be anything from a 4-port to, let's say, a 64-port enterprise switch. And essentially what it does, it makes every single port on there available for a receiver. So you have these on the back of every TV or display you have, and you'll be able to connect this to the network, and you'll have the HDMI 1080p image onto that screen. And this is perfect for, let's say, airports or anywhere with large digital signage, large amounts of displays. This is our VASE. Essentially, it's the same as this unit, but in a VGA form. So you have VGA input, and you also have digital audio and stereo audio, RS-232 and IR, and this will be able to transfer over one Cat5 cable up to 100 meters. And the good thing with this is it will not degrade the signal. You'll be able to get 1920 by 1200 high resolution over that Cat5 cable. This one is a MSV21A. What it is a VGA switch with audio. So you have two ports here and also the audio port. So let's say you have your computer connected to this one, like a desktop, and you can also have a laptop computer in there. And it has one output port. So let's say in a classroom you have a projector and a teacher has a desktop and a laptop. She wants to switch in between the two. This could actually be installed right underneath the desk, and there'll be a little remote switch that she could use to control it. These are our line of pattern generators. We both have them in HDMI or VGA form. This unit here is 8 hours of battery life, 36 different patterns, and resolutions up to 1920 by 1200. And essentially what it does is it gives you a pattern onto your display, so you could go ahead and calibrate the display for, let's say, saturation, or make sure the brightness and contrast is correct. And this is pretty much a lower cost form of it. It has 8 patterns, but it runs off a 9-volt battery. And the other unit we have here, this is a wireless presentation system. Essentially what it does, it connects to your display, either VGA or HDMI, so it could be any HDTV or projector, and it acts just like a wireless router. On your computer, you'll be able to see the ID and log into this, and you'll be able to get your internet access or access your local area network. But you can also download the software from here onto the computer and project everything that's on your screen onto that display. It'll do a screen mirror image, it'll also do video and audio, and it works for Windows 7, XP, Vista, 8, and also Mac operating systems. And we also have a line of retail products, which I'm going to go ahead and pass on to Bill over here.